For outstanding support of APNM's mission and program, New Mexico's Attorney General Gary King is the recipient of the 2011 Executive Director's Milagro Award. From Gary King's role as a state representative in the 1990s to his present role as Attorney General, working to stop animal cruelty has been an important priority for him. General King began working to improve animal protection policies in 1995 when he successfully passed a ban on horse tripping, a cruel part of Mexican rodeos held in New Mexico.
But I think with the coalition that we had that worked for that bill that we were able to overcome any opposition, and so certainly is something that I'm proud of doing.
As Attorney General, Gary King has emphasized the importance of treating animal cruelty as a serious crime that threatens our communities.
That link between animal cruelty and cruelty to other people is something that's really interesting to me, because I think if we can deal with people that that commit these heinous acts against animals, that we might very well be able to impact some of these crimes, vicious crimes against people.
Attorney General King has a deep understanding of the troubling interconnectedness between animal cruelty and other forms of family violence.
We have been working to get abuse of an animal to be included in our domestic violence laws so that a judge can find that there's been an incident of abuse where it's related to that cruelty to an animal, in order to impose that emotional abuse on the human victim.
A powerful contribution Gary King has made to the protection of New Mexico's animals is the creation and implementation of his Animal Cruelty Task Force. Working with APNM and law enforcement, the task force maintains a statewide cruelty hotline, helps law enforcement effectively respond to cruelty cases, supports officer training, and pursues stronger animal cruelty laws.
It's been an excellent tool because as the police bust, say, a cockfighting ring, they will also find that there's illegal gambling, that there are illegal drugs, sometimes there's illegal prostitution.
With cockfighting, the ability to enforce the law is as important as the law itself.
I've been sued personally, and our office has been sued, and the state of New Mexico has been sued by the organizations claiming that the laws are not enforceable. My office has been at the forefront in defending those lawsuits.
In 2009, Attorney General King received 2 awards for his dedication to animal issues, one from New Mexico's State Humane Conference, the other from the Humane Society of the U.S. In addition to making sure existing laws are enforced, Gary King has pushed for stronger, more effective animal cruelty laws. He makes clear his dedication to challenging animal cruelty and his aspirations for our community.
We think that a state where we can show that the laws of the state generate compassion for animals means that we also have compassion for everybody that's in the state. That this is such an important issue for us that we in New Mexico are the state where compassion reigns. Correct?